guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not uploaded a clean with me in like 7 or 8 months, but I'm back and I'm ready to share with you guys cleaning tips, organizing tips, and all that good stuff. I am fighting a cold, which is why I sound a little bit hoarse. I don't feel that great. No makeup, my hair's not fixed. My boys are fighting in the background and my outfit doesn't match. But I gotta clean my house, and I was gonna try and get ready to film this video, and I thought, well, first of all, I don't feel like getting ready, and second of all, who gets ready to clean their house? 2022 is gonna be real life. I'm not trying to people please anybody. This is real life, and I love it. So I'm gonna take you guys along as I clean up my house. I'm gonna take down my Christmas tree. Haven't done that yet, so let's get started.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
currently working on a small project in our living room, which will be hopefully in my next video if we get it done. That's why my husband's tools and everything are all over the table. You know, if you're working on one little area in your house, that mess expands to all areas of your house. So I'm just going to consolidate his tools and all the goodies he's been using and just place them in this chair, out of sight, out of mind, just to help me get through the day without clutter everywhere. We got this shelf not too long ago because we do not have enough space in our kitchen, and I wanted to have a designated pantry area. So I ordered this shelf from Amazon, and I have to say that we're really impressed with it. It's great quality, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a shelf for any reason. I'm gonna get this straightened up. The boys, my taller boys, have absolutely destroyed the snack area. They love to snack, and I like to have their snacks on the bottom shelves so they can easily get to something. Does anybody else's family open brand new bags of chips even though that same flavor is already opened? Like, I have 2 or 3 of the same type of chips opened, and it kills me.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies.
Our TV that goes in the living room is here on the ottoman, as you can see. The wall that our TV goes on is part of our little project we're working on, so that's why it's on the ottoman. It is heavy, and I am not even going to try to move it. I know I can, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to. And it's fine where it is. You'll just have to overlook it. I'm going to. This white thing on our end table is a projector. My husband got it for Christmas. So it is our nightly routine now to lay on the couch with some popcorn and watch a movie or a couple episodes of a show before bed. Because we project our movies and our shows with the projector on the big wall in our living room, it looks kind of bare when we're not watching anything. Usually I do have a large Home Sweet Home mirror hanging here. We've taken it down because, like I said, we watch the projector every night. I'm sure I'll put it back up at some point, but we'll be watching more movies in the next few nights, so I'm not going to fool with it. Organize our ornaments before I put them away. I make a pile of non-breakable ornaments. Then I make another pile of breakable ornaments. And then I organize our family ornaments together. I just like keeping them together. And I like going back and seeing our different ornaments every year as I put them away.
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I looked out and I saw the rain. I wanted it to go away. I felt the weight of it all come down. I braced from the deafening sound. But you were there, holding my hand. You were there, holding my hand. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I bled from the wound for at least a year. I couldn't clean myself up. I reached out for the bottom rung. You hoisted me up. You were there, holding my hand. You were there, holding my hand. Holding my hand, holding my hand. Nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
So it's never going to be spick and span and perfect. So, like I said, 2022 is all about being real. My house looks clean. It is clean, but let me show you what you're not seeing. Yeah, that's right. We've yet to carry out your stuff down to the garage to store it. There's that mirror leaned up in the hallway, and dirty clothes. I gotta do tons of laundry this season. But you know what? I'll get it done. And if I don't get it done today, tomorrow is a new day. So don't stress, don't overthink. Just do what you can do today. Like I said, tomorrow's another day. And in 2022, we're not going to kill ourselves to make our home look presentable for other people, because it's our home. We live in it. We're comfortable here, and we're all that matters. So have a great day, and I hope you get lots of things done today, but you also rest and take care of yourself and spend time with your family. I will see you in the next video. Bye.